In this tutorial, I'll show you how to insert Markdown from a URL into a Confluence page. By the end of this video, you'll know how to display externally hosted Markdown content inside Confluence, making it easier to keep your documentation up to date without manually copying and pasting. Before you begin, make sure you have a Markdown macro app installed from the Atlassian marketplace, since Confluence doesn't support importing Markdown from a URL by default. Once the app is installed, open the Confluence page where you want to display the Markdown content and click Edit. Place your cursor where you want the content to appear, then type Markdown and select the Markdown macro provided by your installed app. When the macro settings open, choose the option to load content from URL or remote URL depending on the app you're using. Next, paste the direct URL to your Markdown file. If you're using GitHub, make sure you use the raw file URL rather than the standard GitHub page link so the macro can read the Markdown correctly. Preview the content to confirm the formatting looks right. If everything appears as expected, click Insert, then publish your page. Your Confluence page will now display the Markdown content from the specified URL. That's all there is to inserting Markdown from a URL in Confluence. Thanks for watching.